And also, there have been pessimistic voices at the Davos World Economic Forum as well, such as billionaire investor George Soros. And Guan Xin is standing by the board to give us what exactly did Soros say?
Well, he's not very optimistic about emerging economies. George Soros is capitalizing on the downturn of the world economy. He recommends investors to short the S&P 500 emerging currencies against the dollar and go long on government bonds. And Soros is 85 years old now and hasn't actively managed money in years, so his strategy may be only theoretical. And nevertheless, he doesn't think that the markets have bottomed out yet. And Soros also says the Federal Reserve has acted a year too late and it has been a mistake to raise interest rates last month, adding that he wouldn't be surprised to see a rate cut. He knows that China's economic reforms are belated and the downside risks are very hard to manage, and Russia has enough currency reserves to last a couple of years, but it is now in a position of weakness. Soros also says China is a source of deflation for the world. The others are oil and raw materials and competitive devaluation of currencies. But not everyone is appreciating Soros' comments on China and his short positions in the yuan currency. China's state-run Xinhua news agency says some radical speculators tried to short sell the Chinese currency yuan, which has been depreciating against the U.S. dollar recently. The news agency added that the Chinese Monetary Authority taking effective measures to stabilize the value of the yuan, and those speculators are expected to suffer huge losses. And Xinhua calls that those speculators who want to bet on the ultimate failure of the Chinese economy and warns that the Chinese government has been constantly improving the country's market regulatory and legal systems. As a result, reckless speculations and vicious shorting will face higher trading costs and possibly severe legal consequences. And China's official newspaper People's Daily says China has a positive long-term outlook for the economy and short sellers will fail. The newspaper condemns those so-called radical speculators who are vicious short sellers for profiting from China's market volatility and economic transformation. So they obviously they don't agree with each other.
Very crazy. I remember Soros back in 1998 actually tried to short the Hong Kong dollar and started this whole currency battle. We'll see
that made
what
him
happens
famous
this time. Exactly. We'll see what happens this time. Thank you, Guan Xin.